Here's something new that was just added to Google's Bard. Google Lens is now incorporated in Google's Bard. If you look down over here, you'll notice that there's now a place to upload an image. So it's there. Let's go ahead and try it out. Select image selection. I'll go to pictures. I'll simply pick one. And now I'll ask for some information on that picture. And I'll do that through audio. It makes it easier. Please give me more information about the image. Let's submit it and see what we get. I guess it doesn't like people, or maybe it thinks that's an infringement. So let's try something else. Please give me some details about that image. It's thinking. Well, let's go over what it told me about that image. The image you sent me shows a white truck. That part's correct. Parked on a dirt road. It's not a dirt road. Happens to be the front yard. The truck is a Ford pickup. No, it's not. It's a Chevy Silverado. The truck is facing away from the camera, so I cannot see the make or model. But it appears to be a newer model truck. Thank you, I wish it was. It happens to be a 2001 truck. The truck is parked on a dirt road that is winding through the woods. There are very few woods where I live. The road is narrow and appears to be poorly maintained. It's not a road, it happens to be my front yard. There are trees and bushes on either side of the road. No, the bushes are on the property, and the ground is covered in leaves and dirt. It's covered in dirt, not leaves. The image shows a clear blue sky, that's for sure. The sun is shining brightly, and the shadows from the trees are cast on the ground. Overall, the image is peaceful and serene. It looks like a perfect place to go for a drive on a beautiful day. Well, the only one that drives on this property is myself. Please note that I'm ignoring my knowledge earlier as they are not relevant to the image you sent me. Okay, because it would not accept the image of a person that I sent earlier. So yes, you have a new feature added, but it didn't do such a good job of identifying the picture itself. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope you have better luck when you ask Google Lens to identify a picture that you can now simply put into Bard and ask for more details about that picture. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching and listening.